Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss promotion mix or communication mix. अभी जब भी कोई बिजनेस फर्म मार्केट एंटर करती है तो उसका सोल एंड प्राइमरी ऑब्जेक्टिव होता है टू मैक्सिमाइज प्रॉफिट. और प्रॉफिट कब मैक्सिमाइज होगी जब वी हैव अ लॉयल सेट ऑफ कस्टमर्स who are brand loyal to your firm. And to develop this brand loyalty, obviously a quality product is needed, but communication, the way you are promoting your product, the way you are creating the awareness of the product, the way you have created the different brand image, that is also very important. So we need to have a very strategically designed communication or promotion mix. So what is promotion mix? A promotion mix is a combination of different tools, techniques, methods, medium which is used to deliver unified message in an integrated manner. Now what do you mean by unified message? Unified means by whatever medium you are talking, everyone should talk the same. Say for example, Bournvita, सुबह का बिस्किट, ये उसका यूनिफाइड मैसेज है. इन इंटीग्रेटेड मैनर इट डिलीवर्स. दैट मीन्स चाहे उसका प्रिंट एड है, टीवी एड है, दैट इज टीवीसी, टेलीविजन कमर्शियल, डिजिटल एड, सोशल मीडिया एड, एवरीवेयर यू विल सी बोर्नविटा सुबह का बिस्किट. सो कम्युनिकेशन मिक्स इज अबाउट डिलीवरिंग अ यूनिफाइड मैसेज इन एन इंटीग्रेटेड मैनर. सो प्रमोशन मिक्स और अ कम्युनिकेशन मिक्स is a combination of all tools, techniques, methods, mediums which we are using to promote our product by delivering a unified message in an integrated manner. Now, what are the tools or elements which we use in promotion or communication mix? There are 5 basic elements: advertising, personal selling, sales promotion, direct marketing, and publicity. Advertising, sales promotion, direct marketing, personal selling, and publicity, or we say it as public relations. So let us discuss one after the another. First is advertising. Now you must be remembering, जब कुछ ठंडा या गर्म खाने से आपके दांतों में तेज झिंझिनाहट सी महसूस होती है. Now I'm sure many of you will quickly recollect Sensodyne. Sensodyne advertisement which uses this phrase. So, a message by an identified sponsor. Who was the identified sponsor? It was Sensodyne. So, advertising is a paid form of non-personal communication by an identified sponsor. There are various means of advertising: television, radio, magazines, internet. Broadly, it is classified into broadcast media and print media. In print media, we have newspapers. Even newspapers, we have national level newspapers, we have regional newspaper, we have supplements. Times of India is a leading English daily. Amar Ujala is a leading national daily. Dainik Bhaskar is a Hindi national daily. In Maharashtra, we have Maharashtra Times, Lok Satta. We have different supplements for education. We have Education Time, for lifestyle. We have Bombay Times. Then we have various magazines. For film industry, we have Femina, Film Fest, Screen. For sports, we have Sports Week, Sports Illustration. For business related news, we have Business Look, Outlook, India Today. So this is print media. Then we also have broadcast media, which includes radio, television. Then we have digital media, which includes your social media platforms. Now, here we need to understand the difference between digital media and the social media. When we are talking about digital media, we are talking about all the digital platforms such as emails, websites, and social media. Social media is a part of digital media. When we are talking about YouTube, we are talking about WhatsApp, we are talking about Facebook, we are talking about Instagram, we are talking about social media, and social media is one of the part of digital media. Then comes sales promotion. All the different kind of tools and techniques used to boost short-term sales. Buy one get one free, flat 20% off, up to 40% off, cashback coupons, all those things which can provide a stimulus to a customer to increase their sales volume in a short term. एक छोटे समय में सेल्स को बढ़ाने के लिए जो भी तरीके हम अपनाते हैं उसे हम लोग सेल्स प्रमोशन कहते हैं. Now there is a very thin difference between sales promotion and personal selling. पर्सनल सेलिंग में क्या होता है, कस्टमर एंड द सेल्स पर्सन वो दोनों फेस टू फेस बात करते हैं. देयर इज अ डायरेक्ट मीटिंग. जब आप किसी शॉप में चले गए, वहां पर सेल्स रिप्रेजेंटेटिव है, वो जो फेस टू फेस बात हो रहा है वो आपको प्रोडक्ट डिस्क्रिप्शन समझा रहा है, डिफरेंट स्कीम समझा रहा है. दैट इज पर्सनल सेलिंग. देन कम्स डायरेक्ट मार्केटिंग. नाउअडेज मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द फर्म्स दे बिलीव इन कस्टमर रिलेशनशिप मैनेजमेंट. आपका KYC डिटेल्स उनके पास होता है, आपका बर्थ डेट उनको पता है, ऑल द टच मोमेंट्स उनको पता है, ऑल द फेस्टिवल्स पता है. हर फेस्टिवल पे, बर्थडे पे, एनिवर्सरी पे हमें मेल आ जाता है, SMS आ जाता है, बहुत बार कॉल भी आ जाता है, स्पेशली डिजाइन ऑफर फॉर यू. सो ऑल दोज स्ट्रैटेजीज, ऑल दोज मीडियम्स जहाँ पे एक फर्म अपने कस्टमर से डायरेक्ट कॉन्टैक्ट मेंटेन करती है, but this direct contact is through some non-personal communication or through some mode of media. It can be an SMS, it can be a phone call, it can be an notification through an app. This is called as direct marketing. And then comes the publicity. Obviously, it is public relation. Now, to understand the public relation, we need to understand about public. और जब हम लोग पब्लिक की बात करते हैं तो हम लोग स्टेक होल्डर्स की बात करते हैं. हु आर द स्टेक होल्डर्स? स्टेक होल्डर्स वो होते हैं ऑल दोज इंडिविजुअल्स और इंस्टीट्यूशंस हु कैन affect your business or gets affected by your business. Your employees, your customers, your investors, your bankers, your shareholders, your suppliers, they all. और उसे हम लोग कहते हैं पब्लिक रिलेशंस. पब्लिक रिलेशन में और एक पार्ट आ जाता है पब्लिसिटी. Now there is a very thin line of difference again between advertising and publicity. जब हम लोग advertising का बात करते हैं तो advertising is a paid form of non-personal communication which will always speak only positive, will always provide you positive information about the product or service. But इसका total opposite publicity जो होता है वो free होता है, but it can be positive or it can be negative. जो मैगी के साथ हुआ लीड का केस, that is negative publicity. It was free. मैगी ने कोई पैसा नहीं दिया था उसके लिए, but it was a free publicity though it was a negative publicity. उसके बाद मैगी ने जो किया to regain the customer trust. क्या एक माँ गलत हो सकती है? क्या एक माँ अपने बच्चे के साथ कुछ गलत कर सकती है? The kind of mom feeling element they used to win back the customer's trust, that was a paid advertisement. That will talk only profit. So the major difference between advertising and publicity, advertising is a paid, it is always positive. Publicity is free, but it can be negative. But it is not necessary that it is always negative. Look at Sonu Sood effort. He is getting so much of coverage. That is positive publicity. So these are the different elements which we use in promotion mix or a communication mix. Advertising, why we use promotion mix? To deliver an unified message in an integrated manner to our target audience. First is advertising, which is a paid form of non-personal communication by an identified sponsor. It can be through broadcast media, it can be through print media, it can be through digital media. Then it can also be through outdoor media. Next is personal selling, whereby there is a face-to-face communication between the buyer and the seller. Sales promotion, all the techniques used to boost the sales in a short term, discount coupons, cashbacks, 1+1, etc., etc. Then direct marketing, whereby we establish a direct contact with customer via email, SMS, app notification, etc. and publicity. And do remember, publicity is free, but it can be positive or negative. It includes public relation, whereby we have to maintain cordial relation with our stakeholders. So I hope my students, promotion mix or communication mix is clear to you. In the next video, we will discuss some another topic of service marketing. Till then, stay home, stay safe, take care. Thank you.